Okay, my name is Baham, and this is the third lesson of my tutorial videos. You are looking at the topic sets. Now, in this lesson, we shall learn about addition and addition and subtraction of sets. Now, what are we talking about when we talk about addition and subtraction of sets? Now, you can only add and subtract when the numbers under or in the root signs are the same. So the number under the root signs are the same. That is when you can add or subtract. For example, if you have a plus root of a, the numbers under the root signs are a. You can add. This will give you what? 2 root what? A. If you have b plus b, it will be 2 root b. Why? In the first lesson, I spoke about coefficients, and then I said this is assumed, the set is assumed to be a variable and it always has a coefficient. So the coefficient of the set here is 1 and 1, and then we add only the coefficient. And so just like variables, having a plus a is equals to what? 2a. It means that 2 of the a's, the coefficients are what? 1 and 1. Then if you add them, you get, so the same thing, 1 plus 1, you get 2 with a coefficient. So that is why you can only add sets or subtract sets whose have the same number under the root signs. Now let's look at some few examples of sets that we can add and subtract. Example 1. Example 1. Having 12 root 3 plus 5 root 3. 12 root 3 plus 5 root 3. This you can add, and it will be the root signs, the numbers under the root signs are equal, or they are the same. Sorry, not equal, they are the same, and so you can add them. 12 plus 5, you get what? 17 root what? 3. And this is the answer. This is the answer. Now, our second question we shall be looking at is having 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2 plus 5. 4 root 2 plus 5 root 3. 5 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Now you only add those whose numbers under the root signs are the same. So for example, this is not the same as anything, so you group like terms. It will be 4 root what? 2 plus 5 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3, and then this will be 9 root what 2 minus 2 root 2 will be 7 root 2 plus 5 root 3, and then if this they are different, or I mean the numbers under the root signs are different, so you can add them, and you can, this is where you stop. This is how you add and subtract. Okay, so let's look at these two examples. Now we have a root of 128 minus a root of 50 plus 2 over 3 root of 162. Now, what under the root sign, under the root sign, we have 128. What is the number which is a perfect square that is a factor of 128? That is a factor of 128. So 128, we have each factor to be 64 multiplied by 2, you get 128, minus we have 25, which is a perfect square, multiplied by 2, and then plus we have 2 over 3. This is 162. Which number is a perfect square that if you multiply it, you have 81. 81 times 2. This can further be written as the root of 64 multiplied by root of 2 minus a root of 25 multiplied by root of 2 plus 2 root of 81 multiplied by root of 2. Now root of 64 is a perfect square, which will give you 8 multiplied by this 8 root of what 2. Then the next one is a perfect square, which is 5 times root of 2 plus 2 over 3, and then this is a perfect square. A perfect square, which is what 9 times root of 2. So this is 8 root 2 minus 5 root 2. 3 will go here 3 times. This times is 6 plus 6 root 2. Now 8 minus 5. The numbers under the root signs are the same, so we can subtract. 8 minus 5, you get 3. 3 root 2 plus 6 root 2. And our answer is going to be 9 root 2. Now, you can also solve, I wouldn't solve the second example and I'm giving it to you as an assignment. You can pause the video and then solve it. I'm going to write the answer. Answer will be, are you ready? So I believe that now you have been able to solve it. So you get 9 root 5. This is the answer. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial video. God bless you so much. The name again is Nene Abraham. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you very much.